A 203K loan can be an absolute game changer if you do it right. But here's the truth. A lot of people mess it up because they don't understand the process. I'm going to break down the biggest mistakes that can cost you time, money, and even your deal, so you don't fall into the same traps. Mistake number 1, choosing the wrong contractor. A 203K loan isn't like a regular renovation. It has strict guidelines, inspections, and deadlines. If your contractor isn't experienced with 203K projects, they can easily delay the process, underbid the work, or even back out. Always choose a contractor who specializes in these loans, like us at Matrix Construction. Mistake number 2, underestimating costs. A common rookie move, thinking renovations will be cheaper than they actually are. Your lender will require a detailed scope of work before approving your loan. And if you underestimate, you might end up short on funds before the project is even done. Work with a contractor who gives accurate estimates based on real renovation experience. Mistake number 3, not understanding the timeline. 203K loans take longer to close than a standard mortgage, and the renovation process has deadlines you must meet. If you don't stay on top of these, you risk delays, or worse, losing your loan approval. Having an organized plan and working with a 203K specialist is key. Mistake number 4, thinking you can DIY everything. A 203K loan requires licensed contractors for most of the work. While sweat equity is great, you can't just buy a fixer-upper and start knocking down walls yourself. If you don't follow HUD guidelines, your loan can be denied, or your project could be shut down. Mistake number 5, skipping expert guidance. This process can be overwhelming, especially if it's your first time, but you don't have to figure it all out alone. At Matrix Construction, we specialize in helping buyers and investors navigate 203K loans, from contractor bids to project completion. If you're serious about making a smart investment with a 203K loan, don't take unnecessary risks. Click the link below to schedule a free consultation, and let's make sure your renovation is a success.